Hello everyone and welcome back to the Prime Coding channel. So today we'll discuss about the Prime interview experience, and the questions were medium hard difficulty level, and the people who are not being thorough with the bit manipulation concepts, this would be the nightmare for them. Please guys, make a note of all this question because you can expect this question from now on. People are thinking that the DSA were not asking, or data structures question are not asking in any of the interview till now. So for them also it will not come. But this interview is a reality check for you guys. So we'll see each and every question in detail. So it is an candidate experience that he have shared. Is one of our Prime Coding community member, and he had gone through with all these questions very goodly, nicely, and even in that we can see that he is given his interview in Hindi language. How it would be, it is a miracle. But I would recommend you, please try to be in English. If you are talking in Hindi, it shows you are not comfortable in English. So it can be red flag, but it won't. So please try to be in English specifically. So we'll see each and every questions in detail. And this interview experience is for Maharashtra Thane. Great. Now, technical question were asked is introduce yourself, a very generic and most probable question that you can expect. And many of the people were not aware of how to respond those questions. Please, like question is like, please take me through your resume. This type of question, this question you can expect in your interview, and this question is saying, but you need to let the interview know what you want to tell them regarding your technical skills or any other skills. Just a walkthrough of your resume, but it should be like a storytelling. What do you know about TCS? Basic HR question that you should be aware of, and explain project. Every people or every candidate is lagging in this particular area because they don't know the method of speaking. So in this video, you can see the mistakes have been covered and pro tips are being covered, and how you need to explain your answer, examples of ML project, full stack project, or if you have any internship with you, how to explain those. Both of the thing would be in both videos. Please have a look and you would be definitely get benefited. Moving forward, the second question that came in the interview is what is bitwise operator, and tell all the bitwise operator. So you should be able to tell. It is an and guys, don't tell in the interview I am from the Python background, I am from the Java background or C++ background. You should be aware of all bitwise operator that is present in our programming world. So and, or, XOR, NOT, left shift, right shift, and unsigned left shift, right shift. You should be aware of all these bitwise operators. And you know the definition of and. If it is 1 1, then it would be 1, or if it is 0 1 in OR, it would be 1. So you should be able to tell the definition. Don't tell if they will ask you what do you mean by and, don't tell if both the terminals are true, it will give true. It's a generic example explanation. You should give your explanation. It returns 1 for each bit position where both corresponding bits are 1. See how well it is written. In this manner, you need to tell the definition. Great. Similar with the all bitwise operator that you want to do. Now, the third question was write code for multiplying, dividing a number with 2 without using arithmetic operator. Same type of question I have covered in my most asked coding question video. It is available on my channel. Please have a go through that video. Same type of question were there. And please make sure you subscribe this channel and like this video. It supports me in lot of manner. We're currently doing much hard work for you so that you can crack your interview. Now we'll see how we can solve it. You need to do, like for multiply, you need to do left shift to multiply with any number with 2. You can multiply 4 into 2, 6 into 2, anything. For that, you need a left shift operator. And how it works, generally left shift means if you have 1 0 0, which is 4, if you apply left shift on it, it will be left shifted by 1 bit, and it will be 1 0 0 0, which is correspond to 8, which means now you can see the example 0 1 0 0, this gives 1 0 0, which is 8. Similar to if you multiply 4 into 2, you will get 8. So this way you can multiply both number or one number with any number with 2. Similar to that, any number you can use divide operator and write shift to 1 which divide any number by 2. Now you can see if it is 0 1 0 0, if you apply right shift, it will be shifted towards right. Now 0 0 1 0, it's equivalent to 2, and if you divide 4 divided by 2, you will get it as 2. So I hope you have got to know how you can find multiply and divide by 2 with any number. So please take a note of it, revise it every day. Now technical question was that they need to write on the paper that about the code, directly the function that you need to write. So write a code for creating doubly linked list and deleting node in doubly linked list. But if you are from digital profile, you can expect the question of singly linked list. Please, how you can create a singly linked list and how you can delete a node or insert a node in a singly linked list. So please guys, make sure that you will go through this linked list. I always tell about these topics in my videos, that please go through it, and this time this candidate have faced this question. Now how you can delete, because creating it not a big task, but deleting it's a task. So let's say you have a doubly linked list like this. It is 1 2 and 3, let's say. So it is one, it is a data field. So it is 1 2 3. Now it is connected with next. This is the next pointer and this is a previous pointer. This is a next pointer, this is a previous pointer, and here the previous pointer will be null and here the next pointer will be the null. And so how you can create an algorithm at the spot? Please walk. I am taking you within all examples so that you are able to create any code. See, the first case would be, there would be 3 cases in that. So we'll see step by step. So same way you need to explain in your exam, in your interview also. Like how? Sir, the very first case would be, what if the user want to delete the very first node? Then how you can find that node? Like if let's say we have a current pointer which will iterate over the node which we want to delete, and in this case we need to delete the very first. So our current pointer would be a very first node. So we'll check if like this would be the if condition. I'm writing the pseudocode. If my current dot previous is equivalent to null, which means you are at the very first node, then simply reinitialize your head to cur dot next. That's it. Now your head is generally set it to here. Then it means that next time when you call your head, this would be ignored. We have covered the very first test case where if we want to delete the very first node. Now the second case would be, what if we want to delete the last node? So deleting the last node, firstly you need to traverse till there. So write a while condition, while cur is equivalent to the value, which means it will take you to the very last or to the necessary position that you want to be at that particular node that you want to delete. So in this case, the cur would come here now. Now how I can check if my cur is equivalent to if my cur dot next is equivalent to null, which means it is the last node, then we generally have tail over our last node. So we'll reinitialize our tail to cur's previous node. So what happened here is cur would be transferred here. That's it. See how in a pictorial way, how we are able to figure it out, what we want to do. Similarly, now we'll see the case of a valid genuine case where head is on the top, tail at the last, and we need to delete the second node. How you can do that? So the third case would be if the node is present in between. So very first, what you want to do, you want to, let's say our cur reached to the second location. Now how you can delete that particular node? Okay, we'll see it. What we do, we'll firstly go to this node. Why? Because we need to cut this link and put this link to here, or connect this link to the link node 3. So how I can do it? I'm currently on the cur. See, cur dot previous. Now I came up on the previous node, which is 1, and its next pointer that I want to deal with. So the next pointer would be reinitialized to curse. Curse next pointer. See, curse next pointer. How? See how the pictorial representation is helping me to write the code. Now, the curve has been reinitialized to this position and it has set it to the third node. Now, once next is set at third node. Now, I need to connect my previous to the node 1, which is the previous node of current. So how I can do that? Firstly, I want to go to that particular node. So let's move there. Cur dot next dot previous. Now I am here with this link. So what I want to do with this link? I need to cut this and reinitialize to this previous link. So how I can do it? How I can move it? So I will move cur dot previous. So now I have dedicated to this particular node. Now 3 is connected to the node 1 and your link is complete. In the last, what you want to do? You want to delete the current node that you are currently on. That's it, guys. It is about the code. Please, it is a pseudo code. I've explained you how you can create your code by just creating a pictorial representation of a linked list. It is very easy in single linked list for digital roles. Please focus on that. Now, you should be aware of the time complexity for that. You should be aware of, so it should be order of n because you're traversing throughout the linked list, and the space complexity would be order of 1 because I'm not taking any other space. We are just reinitializing the links. That's it, guys. So the code in C++ and Python is here. For the Java people, please go through it. It is very easy. You can write your code very easily because you get to know about the algorithm. Similarly, that how you can see, I'm creating a current pointer which will iterate over each and every node. Now current, if it is not null, until else we are not at the end, please current.data, if it is not equivalent to value, please keep on increasing your current. Then you will reach at a point at that particular node that you want to delete. Now the operation you are aware of, I have told you in a very crisp manner with a pictorial representation. Try to practice like this questions by creating the images of the questions. Great. Now we'll hop over the technical and HR question. Explain cloud computing, guys. For explaining cloud computing, don't tell randomly. Please go with a definition first. What do you mean by definition of cloud computing? Then if they have any types, please explain those, or else give the example. If they have any types, then please define it. Then give the example. Without giving example, your answer is senseless. So please do give the example and application of the cloud. Why it is being a trending technologies nowadays? Because they want to listen and they want to know whether you are updated with the technology current trends or not. What do you mean by OSI model? So you should be aware of it. Open system intercommunication it is. So what do you mean by OSI model? It is in computer network. That would be a simple physical layer, application layer, session layer, transport layer, these types of layer that you need to know, and with a particular definition, because the next follow-up question you can expect is, what do you mean by presentation layer? What do you mean by the physical layer? And so on. Difference between interpreter and compiler, the very basic difference between these. In interpreter, we usually do line by line execution. In compiler, for a whole somewhere entire code has been compiled in one go. So these types of definition you should be aware of. Why will you do night shift? Yes, you will do the night shift because you need to sell yourself to the TCS. No problem with the relocation. No, I don't have any problem. How long will you work here? Until I am having my good time here with projects that I am getting it, the learning growth is going exponential. These types of answer you can create it. But please create your answer by yourself, because it might be they can contradict each and every answer that you are telling it. So try to create your answer in depth and try to contradict your answer by yourself so that you will be very prepared for it. And in your batch, how many students are there in your class? Simple question. I told about my family and all. So there were simple questions. More resources that you need to refer is SQL. All type of SQL patterns are being covered here. All types of array patterns have been covered here. Just you want to listen, see this. Now, all types of DBMS questions are here. All types of DBMS questions that you can expect. Currently the questions that are coming in, you can watch the digital interview experience that I have uploaded, the prime interview experience that I have uploaded. You can just check out, and all these questions were coming from these particular video and from nowhere. This digital interview, the coding question came from this particular video, the string video. So please, highly recommend it. Watch it right now. For those who want to have a free mock session, please comment on this video. Second, join the Telegram group of Prime Coding. The link would be in the description. Third, LinkedIn, follow the LinkedIn of Prime Coding, and the winner would be announced after 1 week on my Telegram group. And those who want to book the session, please go to www.primecoding.in and you will find your slot there. Have a book. You will transfer to the Google form. Then you need to fill that form, do the other stuffs, and bingo, you have took one step near to your offer letter. So I will meet you with a new video soon. Please let me know if you have any doubt and recommendation that you want to give. Subscribe the channel so that you won't miss any of the update. We'll meet you with a new video soon.